Hello, and welcome to the video. Before we dive into the USDJPY analysis, I just wanted to quickly let you know that we have a free Discord group you can join. The link is in the description, and in the group, I share all of my trades and insights for the upcoming market moves. It's completely free, so make sure to check it out and join us. Now, moving on to USDJPY. We've been anticipating potential sell-offs for a while as the market approached a turnover point. Looking at the charts, we can see that the price has already started to turn over. While there's still a chance for a pushback to the upside, I believe the long-term trend still leans towards a potential downward movement. With our trades so far, we've managed to capture 250 pips, and we're still holding some positions while having taken partial profits. Over the next few days, we'll be watching closely to see if the price continues to push lower or if it reverses and takes us out at break-even. If you don't want to miss out on our next big move, make sure to join our trading group on Discord again. It's completely free, and the link is in the description. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.